Hi everybody, and thank you so much for joining me once again. Well, today I'm going to be cooking chicken, but it's going to be a very special type of chicken. It's lemon chicken with orzo. Now, for those of you who don't know, orzo is a very tiny, very delicate type of pasta, very delicious. And with the orzo, I'm going to mix in some peas, frozen peas. You can use garden peas, of course. Now, this is a main meal. It's not a snack. It could be a special meal if you've got friends coming around. Anyway, whatever sort of meal it is, please enjoy this video and yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you how I do it.
Now for this recipe, we're going to need a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion granules, 2 teaspoons of mixed dried herbs, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon of paprika. And of course I've got 6 chicken thighs here. Now if you're like me, I find chicken thighs are the most flavoursome part of the chicken that you could possibly get. So now I'm going to make a start. I've got all these spices on a plate. I'm going to mix these all together. Then I'm going to take a baking dish. This is my good old favourite one. Tear off a bit of tin foil, a bit of kitchen foil. Put that in the bottom there. Lay in the chicken thighs. Skin side up. When you've got them all in there, I'm going to coat them over with our spice mixture. There we go, get these really covered as much as you possibly can. Then it's off to your oven, gas mark 7, 40 minutes until the chicken's cooked right through. Now for the orzo, we need half a teaspoon of dried thyme, we need some garlic powder, about half a teaspoon, and the zest off of this lovely fresh lemon, and also we're going to use the juice. We need 750ml of chicken stock. I know that's not 750ml there, but I'm going to top that up. 300 grams of orzo, which is a very tasty, very fine pasta, and 150 grams of peas. These are frozen peas. Fresh ones are just as good if you've got them. Meanwhile, on a hob with a pan, in with a drop of oil, then the orzo. We want to get this orzo coated in the oil, coated all the way over, so it's got a little bit of a gloss to it. Then we can add our spices, give that a little mix in. You can see it's glossy. Then we're going to add our stock. Just a bit at a time, there's no rush. Do this nice and slowly, it'll be worth it in the end. There we go, we're going to add a drop more. Keep mixing it and then keep boiling it. Once this is all done, we can pop the lid on and let this simmer for about 15 minutes until the pasta's cooked right through and it's soaked up all of the stock. Then we can go in with our lemon zest. It's always a little bit tricky, this one. I think I need a new zester really. Anyway, we'll plod on. And then goes the juice of the lemon, and then we can add our peas. Now we're going to cook these for a little while, but they won't take long at all. And there you have it. Doesn't that look nice? So now it's time to show you the end result in the pan there. Give it a bit of a mix around. Well tasty. And there's a chicken thighs. Look at the juices that have come out of there. Incredible. We'll give those a little bit of a baste. We don't want to waste any of this. That's for sure. Now just look at these, moist, tender, succulent, beautiful. Right, so let's plate up. Go on with our orzo and peas and our lemon zest and our spices on the plate, and we'll top this off with a piece of the chicken thigh. On that goes. Now we can't have this, not without a little bit of lemon to squeeze over the top when it's all done. Then it's time for our taste test.
So there it is, guys. Look at that lovely delicious piece of chicken thigh there with a herby crust on the top. Now we've just got to see what the result is. Yes, one word says it all. Delicious. Please try this for yourself, you won't be disappointed. It's dead easy, just make sure you've got all those spices and herbs ready and away you go. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and keep watching my videos and you'll see the ones I've done in the past, and hope you enjoy them all. I've enjoyed having you here in my kitchen, and yeah, bye for now.